Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 17th, 2022. We are here to talk about Trust Wallet today because after the FTX situation and it becoming insolvent, a lot of people have been, well, I can't say a lot of people, I'm going to say a whole lot of exchanges have been withdrawing or freezing the process so that people cannot take their cryptocurrency off of their exchange. And guess what? Genesis and Gemini is not the exception. Check this out. There's a couple of top stories right here from Google to where you guys can see that Gemini, BlockFi, Genesis announcing new restrictions as the FTX contagion spreads. Look at Decrypt, another article. Gemini Earn warns customers of likely withdrawal delays. Then you have another one from CoinDesk. This is just a day ago. Genesis crypto lending unit is halting customer withdrawals. Even Bloomberg got in on the top stories for these exchanges. Look at this. The Winklevoss twins, Gemini crypto platform, pausing withdrawals on lending platforms. So when you have this going on, but yet you see something of this sort to where a cryptocurrency or a token is increasing in price, then that means that somebody knows something, right? Trust Wallet has gone higher in price, while a lot of the other cryptocurrency tokens have been going down. The FTT token, you guys also heard about Celsius and Voyager. All of these tokens that were created out of thin air is going back to where they once were worth nothing, right? Well, Trust Wallet is going the opposite direction. So I wanted to come in and talk about this particular market real quick to see if there's still some strength coming to the market for Trust Wallet. You guys can see here that it is making, or it did make, all-time highs around November the 14th. Is it still on course to continue to trend higher? Well, the first thing I wanted to do is come in and show you all the current trend. Okay, so this is the trend, and we have broken away well from the trend line. So we are in what many people would term as moon territory. This is where the moon currently lies in the market in Trust Wallet. So if you're not in this particular play right now, so she's coming and buy right now, well, we need to talk, because there's a couple of things that the market has done over the last couple of days that will substantiate that there's a area of support coming into the market in Trust Wallet. This is going to be the basis for us to know whether or not the market still has enough legs to go higher, or will we continue to see the price come down? All right, so let's go ahead and look at this real quick on the 1 hour chart. And you guys can kind of tell from this perspective that the market in Trust Wallet is still trending higher, right? So this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting the market in Trust Wallet to run into this trend line. And that is where the test is going to occur in the market for Trust Wallet. Can the buyers continue to trend this market higher? Because one thing that you can tell that has been going on this 1 hour chart is that the market has been making lower highs. Now that's something that we don't like to see in order for us to maintain the bullishness, right? We don't want to see the market continue to make lower highs, because that means that the market's getting tired, that the buyers are running out of money to continue to buy up this currency, and that eventually the sellers are going to come in and push the price lower. Okay, so I want you all to see that too. Okay, because as this market in Trust Wallet continues to trend lower, we need to figure out, okay, if we're not looking for the price to go up, then obviously it can only go up the opposite direction, which is down. We have these areas right here now, $2, even down here $1.90 and $1.80 for areas of support. Now I wanted to show you right here on these high volume bars down here at the bottom. Okay, so if you guys been on my channel for a while, you guys know that I tell you to always pay attention to the volume, because it tells us whether or not a big player is involved or not. And on these two 1 hour price bars definitely lets us know that the big wigs were in control. Okay, like they came in and either they bought or they sold the market in Trust Wallet. So look at this on the 3 hour chart. Okay, now this is very good to see this on a 3 hour chart, a massive spread bar with the price closing at the high end of the bar. That's good to see, but it's only good to see to the point where you get justification or follow through, meaning that the market still needs to trend higher. And we haven't seen that the price has done anything but going down. That's a major red flag. Here it is on the 5 hour chart. You guys can see the moment that Trust Wallet went up here on this 5 hour price bar, the next 5 hours it came back down. And we're still seeing bouts of weakness coming to the market in Trust Wallet. Okay, I'm just trying to give you all how to digest the market and tell you how the market currently is feeling, so that you don't get caught in a very bad position. Look at this on the 9 hour. Okay, this 9-hour price bar concludes that there was some selling going on in the market in Trust Wallet, and we're still seeing that now. Now, there's a couple of people, market participants, that's still excited about Trust Wallet. They're still there. They're still amped because the market has moved climactically higher. I mean, from November the 9th to the high of November the 14th, the market is already up 175%, and people think that it's going to continue to run up and go up into perpetuity. That is why the market is so far sustaining itself. But what I'm trying to show you from my perspective is that Trust Wallet is going to come down. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on a chart, and no lower than 100. Wow. $1.80 is where we need to get confirmation from the market participants that they're still buying Trust Wallet. We see the market in Trust Wallet break $1.80 to the downside. This market is definitely in bear territory, or at least we're not going to expect the price to trend higher. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and keep this $2.50 area as resistance, meaning that if we do see the market in Trust Wallet come up here to 250, but it doesn't trade above it on strength, we understand that our overall prediction is still true, and that we can expect the market to continue to go lower. Okay, so let me put this on the daily chart, because we're going to follow the market here in Trust Wallet on daily time frame. And outside of us not holding $1.80, okay, let me show you all the 1-hour chart. Well, put this on a minute. Okay, outside of 180, my next level is going to be around 165, $1.65, all the way back down to $1.50. Okay, but I'm not going to put that on the chart yet. We're just going to simply look at the market and Trust Wallet from this perspective to see whether or not the buyers are still coming in. Okay, so that is it. Give me your thoughts. Hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel to get more of this simplistic content of understanding how the market really works without the confusion. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.